Hi, guys, and welcome to your readings for the month of July. Stay tuned to the end for a special message I got while sitting at the oceans and the beauty of the ocean this morning with the sun glistening on its radiancy was beautiful. So, enjoy the month of July. And for today, I'll be using two packs of cards, the Angel Answers cards by Doreen Virtue and the Healing Messages from Your Angels cards, also by Doreen Virtue. I think you can see both the pack covers at the back. There we go. So we'll be combining those, and let's get started with the 12 signs for the month of July. Hi guys, I just want to add that this morning we had the outdoor message of your ships coming in, receptivity and the flow of energy inward, of receiving your manifestations. And now this afternoon and evening when I've done the readings, 5 or 6 or 7 of the star signs out of 12 had the "You're Ready" card. That is amazing validation, guys. You're ready to receive. You're ready to receive your manifestations, your goals, your intentions, wishes, desires. Your ships are coming in. So remember to set the intention this month to receive. You are ready. Pisces, welcome to your month of July reading. We're going to shuffle and pick your cards. Let's go ahead, Pisces, and pick your cards. Oh, 7 is a month, a lucky month. July is 7, numerologically, a month of 7. And you have the spiritual growth card right off the bat. You are a sign that is spiritually grown, I would say, because you are the last sign of the zodiac. Focus. Remember to focus on your intentions this month, intentions of that which you wish to create and manifestation. Great. We have quite a few signs picking the manifestation card, the "You're Ready" card, because this month is all about flow and welcoming your ships in, your manifestations in. That was the outdoor message, which you will stay tuned for and see for yourself. And then we have a second pack that way I will choose 3 cards. So choose a new direction, Pisces. You've got choose a new direction. So something might have been blocked off for you, and this month will be good to choose a new direction and helping resolve it. You're ready. This card's come out, I think, 6 times today for 6 or 7 signs. Again, it's all about receiving the ships coming in, and this was the message for the collective of 12 signs in our outdoor reading, and it's really been validated today. We've had this card 6 or 7 times, and you, Pisces, being the last sign, got it again. So definitely, guys, this, if any of the other signs are watching this as well, being our last reading, this is definitely a message for July. All signs are getting their ships coming in this month, their manifestations. And the last card for today is, get more information. So I think this ties in with the choose a new direction. You might have been wanting to start something new, maybe a new business, or travel to a new place, or move to a new place. Get more information, okay, guys? Research. That's the energy and the advice you're getting today. You are ready to pursue it, but pursue it, the new direction, by getting more information on it before rushing headfirst into it. And Pisces is generally a sign that likes to weigh the pros and cons, which is a good characteristic to have. That will come into good standing for you this month. Remembering your spiritual growth, Pisces, you are a really wise sign. Remembering to focus on what you wish intending to create, what you wish to intend to create, not what you do not wish to intend to create, because remember, attention goes with focus. Focus goes with attention flows, and you want to focus your attention on what you want, not on what you don't want, because you want to manifest what it is you do want. So, Pisces, that was your message for the month of July. Short and sweet. Pisces, to the point as always, because you're so perceptive, so intuitive. So the reading was really really focused and easy for you today. Stay tuned for the outdoor message, and remember to comment down below with what you're choosing to manifest this month, what you're choosing to focus your attention. And remember to enjoy the outdoor message. It's a message from the oceans, from water, which is your element. You're the sign of water along with Scorpio and Cancer. So enjoy that message, Pisces. Have a great month of July. And to all the signs, we will see you next time. Bye. Take care and have a great one. Hi guys, and welcome outside again, sharing the magical energy of the solstice that began about a week ago, and still back outside enjoying the magical energy of the ocean this time. I'm going to share that with you soon, but running into July, this energy only serves to build momentum. So I really hope you enjoy the energy of July, and let's see if I can change the focus here to show you the water. There we go. And you can see the ocean is really looking lovely today, sparkly and beautiful. And you can even see the ship coming out, or going out. This time, this reminds me of another movie, The Goonies actually. You know that scene where the pirate ship sails out? A really amazing, enchanting 80s movie actually, that I've been watching recently. So I think whenever we're doing a reading, the energy, everything signifies something. And the ship going out, I actually feel it's a little bit of your ships. It's right next to the port actually. If you see, there's the port wall right there. So I feel like, and you can see there's another little buoy or little boat going out there. I feel it's time that your ships are coming in. That's the message I'm getting. It's ships coming in. It's time for things to start soaring, or things that to start launching, that you're beginning, and that energy we spoke about that had begun at the solstice will just serve to add momentum to it and help you to soar. So whatever you have been planning, remember to go ahead and trust your instincts and put into action. Take those milestones and steps and just enjoy the energy, guys. I mean, look at this water. The other aspect of doing this outside is that the magnanimity of the ocean and the water's energy and flow and rhythmic connection to the earth as well. It supports it. And the sun's energy just radiating, just adding to its radiance and vibrancy and beauty. It just serves to remind you to remember your own vibrancy and radiance. Let's see if I can turn the video back. Awesome, guys. So here's another ship coming into the port. Just like we said, your ships are coming in. Alright guys, so remember your own vibrancy and radiance and beauty, both inner and out, as we go through the month of July. Remember to use the element of water to help you flow with the magnanimity of your emotions when creating your dream. Whenever we create in your dream, sometimes it influences our emotions, but remembering how awesome and great you are, just like the magnanimity of nature, and not just the element of water, but the element of the sun, element of the air, and the element of the earth. remember to be and stay grounded. And just remember to connect with nature, guys, and enjoy the energy. It's really so beautiful out here, and I just wanted to share a bit of this with you as usual in our readings. And I hope that you enjoyed today's reading. So enjoy the energy of July, guys. Enjoy the 7th month of the year. 7 is always lucky. And remember to take some time out for some self-love, self-care, and just some time out to connect with yourself in nature or wherever you feel comfortable. Okay, guys, enjoy the energy of July. Have fun. Take care. Bye.